When it comes to protecting your truck bed and everything you haul, investing in a high-quality truck bed cover is a smart move. Whether you're looking for added security, improved fuel efficiency, or just a cleaner, more streamlined look, the right truck bed cover can make a big difference. In this video, we're counting down the best truck bed covers on the market. With options ranging from soft roll-ups to hard folding and retractable designs, all product links are in the description box below. Let's dive in and find the perfect fit for your truck. Number 5. Truxo. TruExport Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Cover. The Truxo TruExport is a high-quality soft roll-up truck bed cover that balances affordability, durability, and ease of use. Made from heavy-duty leather grain vinyl, it provides a sleek, low-profile look while keeping cargo protected from the elements. One of the biggest advantages of this cover is its simple roll-up design, allowing for full bed access when needed. The cover secures tightly with dual paddle latches at the tailgate and features tension control adjustments to prevent sagging over time. Installation is quick and easy, requiring no drilling. Most users can install it in under 30 minutes using the clamp-on system. However, since it is a soft cover, it does not offer the same level of security as a hard cover. If security is a primary concern, a hard folding or retractable cover would be a better choice. Overall, the Truxo TruExport is a great soft roll-up cover for truck owners looking for an affordable, stylish, and functional solution. Number 4. Gator EFX Hard Trifold Truck Bed Cover. The Gator EFX Hard Trifold is an excellent mid-range option that offers a durable and secure solution for truck bed protection. Constructed from heavy-duty aluminum panels, this cover provides excellent weather resistance and security while maintaining a stylish, low-profile design. One of the key features of the Gator EFX is its folding design, which allows users to access 2/3 of the truck bed when needed. The quick release system makes it easy to remove the cover entirely in just a few minutes, offering added versatility for larger cargo loads. The cover is coated with a scratch-resistant, UV-protected finish, ensuring long-lasting durability. It also features a built-in drainage system that directs water away from the truck bed, keeping cargo dry even in heavy rain. Installation is relatively straightforward, requiring no drilling. However, one downside is that the cover does not provide full bed access when folded, as it still covers part of the rear portion. Overall, the Gator EFX Hard Trifold is a great option for those seeking a reliable, mid-priced hard folding cover. Number 3. Retrax Pro MX Retractable Truck Bed Cover. The Retrax Pro MX is a premium retractable truck bed cover that combines heavy-duty construction with a sleek, modern design. Made from industrial-strength aluminum, this cover is built to withstand harsh conditions while providing top-tier security and convenience. The matte black finish not only enhances the appearance of the truck, but also provides resistance to scratches, UV rays, and corrosion. One of the standout features of the Retrax Pro MX is its smooth, retractable mechanism. Unlike folding covers that require manual adjustments, this cover slides open and closed effortlessly using a sealed ball bearing system. This design eliminates the need for pull straps, snaps, or Velcro, making it one of the most user-friendly covers available. Security is a key advantage of this cover. The Retrax Pro MX features a key locking mechanism that allows you to lock the cover at any position along the rail, offering flexibility based on the size of the cargo. The aluminum slats are strong enough to resist impact, making this one of the most secure truck bed covers on the market. While the Retrax Pro MX is an excellent choice, it comes at a higher price point than other truck bed covers. Additionally, the installation process is more complex and may require professional assistance, which adds to the overall cost. However, for truck owners who want a premium, highly secure, and easy-to-use retractable cover, the Retrax Pro MX is worth the investment. Number 2. Tiger Auto T3 Soft Trifold Truck Bed Cover. The Tiger Auto T3 is a budget-friendly truck bed cover that delivers great protection and style without breaking the bank. It is a soft trifold cover made from marine-grade vinyl, reinforced with heavy-duty aluminum frames to ensure durability and longevity. Designed to withstand harsh weather conditions such as rain, snow, and wind, this cover provides a reliable solution for truck owners looking for affordability and function. One of the biggest selling points of the Tiger Auto T3 is its ease of installation. Unlike many truck bed covers that require complex setups, the T3 comes pre-assembled and can be installed in minutes using the provided clamps. This no-drill installation makes it a great option for truck owners who want a hassle-free setup. The cover features built-in horizontal crossbars that provide additional support when the cover is closed, ensuring a tight and secure fit. This not only enhances the durability of the cover, but also helps maintain its sleek appearance over time. The tight fit prevents water from seeping into the truck bed, keeping cargo dry and protected. While the Tiger Auto T3 offers good weather resistance, it does not provide the same level of security as a hard cover. Since it is made from vinyl, it can be cut with a sharp object, making it less suitable for storing valuable cargo. However, for everyday use and general protection against the elements, it does an excellent job. Overall, the Tiger Auto T3 is an excellent option for truck owners looking for a budget-friendly, easy-to-install, and durable soft trifold cover. It offers a good balance of protection, style, and affordability, making it a popular choice in the soft cover category. Number 1. Flip MX4 Hard Folding Truck Bed Cover. The Flip MX4 is widely recognized as one of the best hard-folding truck bed covers on the market. Known for its sleek design, durability, and ease of use, this cover is a top choice among truck owners who want a reliable and stylish cover. Constructed from heavy-duty aluminum panels, the MX4 provides excellent protection against weather, theft, and everyday wear and tear. The matte black finish adds a sophisticated touch to the truck's overall look while offering resistance to scratches and UV damage. One of the most significant advantages of the MX4 is its unique folding mechanism. It allows you to fold the cover completely upright, providing full access to the truck bed when needed. Unlike other hard folding covers that partially obstruct the rear view, the MX4 ensures maximum usability without compromise. Locking the cover in multiple positions provides flexibility, whether you need full coverage, partial access, or complete. Openness for hauling larger items. Weather resistance is another major highlight of the MX4. It features an integrated drainage system that channels water away from the truck bed, ensuring that your cargo remains dry even in heavy rain. The durable rubber seals and hinges add an extra layer of protection, preventing leaks and reducing maintenance requirements. Installation of the MX4 is straightforward and requires no drilling. The clamp-on design allows for a quick and easy DIY installation, making it a great choice for truck owners who prefer handling modifications. However, while the MX4 provides excellent security, it does not come with a built-in lock. Instead, it relies on the truck's tailgate lock to secure the cover, which may be a consideration for those who prioritize security. Overall, the Flip MX4 is an outstanding choice for truck owners looking for a durable, stylish, and functional hard-folding truck bed cover. With its top-notch build quality, weather-resistant features, and easy installation, it remains one of the best options in its category. That's it for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos.